Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome to another From Scraps to Masterboard swap video. And this will be from my friend Maggie Plank, who sent in some scraps and swapped with me. So she's going to make one too. And I am going to use this file folder as my base, and we're going to see what Maggie sent me, and then whatever masterboard I make, I'm going to post it in my Facebook group, and you're welcome to download it. So let's see, Maggie, what all you sent. Ooh, you sent me some good ones. So look at all these different shapes Maggie sent. I love it. And we've got the blues and the kind of greenish gold going on here. Let's see what we have. Okay, so you gave me like a puzzle here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am not going to ink the edges or anything, but I am going to start putting it together and make a fun collage on this base. And then we have some fun colors, I think, to accent with. So, all right. So all I do is I just pick some scraps, which is what we have here. And I'm just going to start gluing them down. And I cover the whole masterboard. We'll add some inks later and some color. Let's see what colors we want to add, because we've got this brown, and let's see, what do we want to do? Do we want to do it this way maybe? Maybe we'll do that. And we've got some browns and some pretty blues, and we've got all kinds of shapes in here. So let's see. Now, if you want to participate, I would love to have you participate, and it's not too late. So just go over, I have a video about this, and also I have a little bit about it in my Facebook group. So just go find out, and we'll find you a swap partner. And then you just swap scraps, and you don't want to send, really, you don't want to send more than, let's do this. You don't want to send more than one postage stamp full, an envelope, because you don't want, I don't want anyone to be out money, you know, to do this. So one postage stamp, and then you just make your masterboard, and someone else will make their masterboard, and then you'll share it in the Facebook group. Look at all these fun shapes. See what we can make with these, huh? So we've got some fun. Let's look. We've got these browns, golds, blues, grays. Let's see. Maggie, you sent so much fun here. And who doesn't collect scraps, right? Everyone collects scraps. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and work on this a bit, and then come back and show you where I'm at. All right, so I've got the basic background done. I added a lot of what she sent, plus I used some of the envelope to add some other contrast. She sent these fun bubble scraps, so I'm cutting out more circles with my hole punch. And I thought it would be fun to put them all over to add some fun contrast and focal points. And then we'll do some stamping on here. So I've got a lot here to work with. And we're going to give it a whirl. Let's see what we got. All right, so we have all of these. Aren't they fun? And I think we'll use some blue ink and some brown ink, and that will be fun too. So I'm just going to add these all on all over, and then I will be back with you. Okay, so I have what is called Silent Night, which is like a midnight blue color. And I'm just going to go around the edges here. See how this looks with this with these colors and see if I want to bring that blue in or if I want to bring brown in. So just going around the edges, seeing I kind of like the blue, but I don't think it might be too strong of a color, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, I think I'm going to bring some blue in, but then I'm going to bring the brown. So we're just going to try some blue in different places. And bring that blue in. And then we're going to bring in the vintage photo. And maybe even, maybe we'll bring in a purple. We'll see. And if I can hear Rochelle, she'd be saying, yes, purple. Okay. So let's try the vintage photo brown. And let's mix that. How about that? Really love this color. It is one of my favorites, and I love vintage anyway. But I think it needs more color. So let's grab the purple. This purple is called Damson Wine, and it is really a strong color. So I have to be careful because everything will turn purple. So I'm just going to do a little, okay. So now I feel like it needs pink. That's me. A little bit here and there, and then I start adding a lot. So if you don't have everything that I have, that's okay. You do you with what you have. Craft your stash. This is just some ideas. So we're just going to add a little bit of color here. And then we're going to add a little spritz of water. See if that reacts with any of this. This here, I'm going to take a little spritz of water. And we're just going to add it. And then we're going to see what we can pick up with that. See if we get some water drops. And can mix some colors sometimes. Okay. And you can kind of see that does do a little bit of different look to it. All right, now we're going to take, let's try this purple. This is a solar spray. I just got these, so I want to play with them. And I have some distressed mica stain, and maybe the blue would look good. So this solar spray will look up one way on light colors and then different on dark colors. So you can see on the dark color, it's making the brown look purple. Oh, that's amazing. Look at that. Totally changes the whole look of this Masterboard. Totally. Okay, we're going to take a little off because this is not watercolor paper. You can see some of the wrinkly, but I like the wrinkly. Ooh, look at that. Look on that brown. It's just changed the color to purple. That's cool. I was going to use the gold. Let's try some gold on there. This is called Golden Hour. And it makes a gold look. And maybe we could just put it on the little dots. Let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can get it on the little circles. Specifically on the circles. At least some part of the circles. Ooh. Get kind of an aura or something. Let's see. It does give a golden tint to it, doesn't it? Or a hue. All right, let's. This totally has changed from what it was, right? Looks almost like stars in space. Okay, let's put a little, should we put a little glittery or anything? What do you think? Should we? Okay, let's stamp. Let's stamp a little bit on here. This is just a word stamp, just a little bit. This is waterproof ink. I'm just gonna stamp. It doesn't have to be totally perfect. I'm just gonna add a little. Let's just add some words. And we'll do that. I think that's probably good on that. And then let's see if this is spacey kind of. should we do a maybe, I don't know, a clock maybe? I don't know. Stars probably would be good. Let's do one down here at the bottom. You can't even really tell that's what that is. But I do have a star, different star. Let's see. I haven't stamped this one yet. Might look better in purple. Let's try it with the purple. I don't know if it'll show up. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Let's do some star here. Oh, yeah. I'll do one on the other side. Okay, look at that. Should we do one more? Always do 5, right? Okay, we're gonna do some blue numbers and see how that stamps. And then we're gonna add some, let's go off. Let's just do it in the middle. Yeah. Yeah, that's okay. Put some up here. Just kind of faint numbers. And then let's do some glitter paste. So this is chunky glitter paste. I love it, by the way. It's by Crafter's Companion, and right now I can't order anything from Crafter's Companion because of the tariffs, but let's put a little pink on here. This is called Hibiscus, and see, I don't want to put too much because I want to just see how it looks. Ooh, this is pretty. It doesn't really, you know, it doesn't really, it is pink, but what do you think, guys? What do you think, Maggie? I think these need, I was going to use the other, but let's see. And this is Snowflake. So this is pretty close to the same. I haven't even opened this one yet. This one was in a kit, I think. Or I bought some stuff some time back. Anyway. All right. So this is just kind of a clear. Let's see if we can tell the difference if we put it right up next to it with the pink. Here, right here. I mean, you can see a little bit of the pink, but I think this is all right. So really, I don't know. It's taken on the color of the ink under it. So let's put a little up here. Let's share the love here. Okay, I'm going to add some gesso. This is gesso. I use it. It's a primer, but I use it for all kinds of things. But I'm not going to use a stencil or anything, but I am going to add some gesso here. I was going to do the glitter paste, but I really don't want, I mean the texture paste, but I really don't want to do that. I don't want it that thick. So we're just going to come in real lightly, just to kind of get this. Ooh, that's too much. I'm gonna have to get that wiped off. That's too much. Oh well. Anyway, just a little is all I really want. And just add this wispiness. That's what I call it anyway. Doesn't need too much more, I don't think. I don't know. What do you guys like it? Do you think it turned out good? I'm really in love with it, actually. I really love it. I love how it transformed the whole thing into a brand new look with that purple. Should I put some more, do you think? More of the purple? The gold. Look at the gold, how it made that shine like that. That is pretty. Maybe I should put some more gold. Let's try some more of the gold. All right, so a little more sprays of gold. This is called Golden Hour. But maybe I might want more purple. Look how that gold is really shining. Okay, let's add some more purple. This is called Royal Flush. Nobody said you couldn't mix them, right? Nobody said. There's no rules. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Now, for a masterboard, you want to, if you can, I think it's great to be able to scan it and then print it and use it over and over and over. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, Maggie, it turned out so pretty. Thank you so much for swapping with me. I'm eager to see yours. Okay, so I'm going to take a picture of this and or scan it, and then I'm going to put it on our Facebook group. So if you want to join the Facebook group, please do. And there's some questions I ask you to answer, and then would love to have you part of our Facebook group. So thanks so much for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, share. I love that. Like the video. It helps my channel, and it doesn't cost anything. So how awesome is that? And thanks so much. If you're interested, from scraps to masterboard swap, I'd love to have you participate. Have a great day, and next time we'll have some more fun.